In modern society, carbon materials have become an indispensable resource due to their unique properties and wide applications. Nutshell charcoal and charcoal, as the two main charcoal materials, show their respective unique advantages. Nutshell charcoal is made by carbonizing coconut shells, walnut shells, and other fruit shells. It has excellent microporous structure and high hardness. Nutshell carbon is widely used in water treatment, removal of organic matter and heavy metal ions, air purification, adsorption of harmful gases such as formaldehyde and benzene, food processing, decolorization and deodorization, and medicine. Charcoal is made from carbonized wood and has large pores suitable for adsorbing macromolecular substances. Charcoal is mainly used as barbecue fuel, long burning time, and stable firepower. Metallurgy, high-temperature metallurgical processes such as iron making, agriculture, soil conditioner, and the art industry, production of charcoal and filter materials. Nutshell charcoal and charcoal each have their own advantages. Best in carbonization equipment can meet the needs of these two different applications and can effectively improve the performance and effects in various fields.